you were playing like we always do. Then the bell rang. We went to lunch. Hey! I missed you so much. Of course! Why wouldn't I? We're best friends. Let's eat. Hey, what do you have? And then... Hey, can I join you? And then a guy came over. Let's eat. Yum, 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 yum. Excuse me? Yeah? Hi, guys. What's up? And then you said that they were really nice. You started talking to them. Hey, guys. And you just ignored me. Everything I tried to say. Yeah, and did you see her new makeup? I was like, oh my god. So I just turned and ran away. Wow, I love your hair. What did you do to it? Yeah, I mean, you're really... And that's how it all started. You made me so sad. Ignorant. Since then, I stayed at home for homeschool.